In this tutorial, you will learn how to install and use the dispenser option. Locate the two mounting screws on the bottom of the printer. Remove the mounting screws with a T10 driver. Pull down on the front bezel to remove. Position the dispenser option and slide up to engage. Reinstall the two mounting screws. Power the printer on. To use the dispenser, first open the printer. Open the roll holders and insert the media roll. Push the media down under the guides. Close the printer. Press the pause button once to exit pause mode. Open the dispenser door. Push the end of the media through the slot. Close the dispenser door. When ready, press the feed button to verify proper operation.